Hi everyone, this is a quick video to explain how to extract data in the form of datasets from Tableau reports using DataOps Suite BI Validator. To begin with, we need a data source. Click on Add Data Source or go to Sources menu and create a Tableau connection. We recorded different video to explain the same. We can follow the steps once you have your Tableau data source established. Now, go to Data Flows and create a data flow. Select the required engine and save the data flow. Then create a Tableau source component and select the required Tableau data source. Site ID, if present, will automatically be populated. There will be advanced options available. Users can select these options as per the requirement or else they can keep them as default. Click on Next to add views. The views can be added from the workbooks present in the Tableau data source. From the workbooks, the required page can be selected. Once selected, users can parameterize the filters. If not required, go ahead and run the results. This will display the list of worksheets data. The datasets underlying in the visuals of the page are displayed. DataOps Suite has a component called File Sync. This component accepts a dataset as an input and it stores the data as file. As we add this component, we'll have to name this target file, select the dataset to be saved and the data source in which this file needs to be saved. The appropriate save mode needs to be selected. The subfolder name is used to identify the location of the dataset which will be saved. There are partition options and write options which can be configured. If not required, users can leave them as default. Go ahead and run the result to save the target file. DataOps Suite has another component called File Component to read and preview the files which are present in the data sources. Add the file component and select the required file based on the data source and the subfolder name. After selecting the file based on subfolder, in the file options, users can modify delimiter, header, and other options based on how the file is supposed to be read. Go ahead and run to view the saved dataset. We can see that the dataset from Tableau report visual is saved and extracted as a file. This data can further be transformed or it can be used for validation and comparison purposes. Now, we'll go a step ahead and demonstrate the data comparison process. We'll go back to the report and start changing the report by applying some filter. We can see that the report is changed and we'll run it again so that the dataset is refreshed. After it is run, we are going to bring in a component of DataOps Suite called Data Compare for data comparison. In Data Compare component, we'll compare the refreshed report dataset to the previously saved dataset which is stored in file. As per the requirement, users can change and modify the dependency of the flow, compare type, advanced options, and also threshold options. On clicking Next, we'll be taken to Mapping section where the mapped and unmapped columns are automatically detected for the selected datasets. Users are prompted to select Unique Key for accuracy purposes. Go ahead and run the results to find the differences between the dataset. In this case, we can observe that the dataset from the report is missing few records when compared to the original dataset, which is stored in the file. This difference is due to the applied filter changes in the report. In this way, the application can spot the differences between datasets using Data Compare component. For more information on the components like Tableau Source Component, File Component, File Sync Component or Data Compare Component, they can visit help.datagaps.com.
For further questions, feel free to reach contact@datagaps.com. Scan the below QR code for free demo. Thank you.